Once upon a time, a large amount of people lived in a small town together. The beautiful city is located near a green forest. People and animals lived happily together. But there was a giant tiger living in the woods. Of course, there are many tigers living in the jungle other than this tiger. But this tiger was malicious and greedy, and he was not satisfied with little and loved himself very much. He was hurting people and children a lot. And not only was he hunting in the woods, he was attacking the city as well. One day, some travelers from the small town passed by, knowing how to hunt a tiger. When they reached this city, they knew the problem of the people in it, and they hunted a number of tigers with ease. The travelers didn't know exactly which tigers were harming people, so they hunted several tigers. The tigers were in cages, and each tiger was trying to escape. The tiger who had killed many children is in big trouble now. He had no food to eat or water to drink, and the predatory tiger asked everyone who passed near him to save him, but no one responded to the tiger's request. The tiger promised everyone that if he survived the cage, he would not bother anyone and would not harm them anymore. But no one believed the words of the wild tiger. He had mercifully pleaded with them and never stopped talking. Then, one of the travelers pitied the tiger, so the traveler asked him to keep his promises. But is there a hungry and predatory tiger that keeps its promise? The man opened the door of the cage. Then the predatory tiger came out of the cage, was hungry and thirsty, and became more dangerous because of hunger. The tiger can now eat several people together. After the tiger came out of the cage, he attacked the good traveler immediately and wanted to kill him. The traveler begged him and reminded him of his words and his promise. The predatory tiger told him that he is now hungry and that these words will not affect him. When the tiger wanted to devour the traveler, the fox came to see what happened and asked them about it. The man and the tiger told the story to the wise fox. After the fox heard the full story, he looked at the tiger and said, "Sorry, tiger, but I don't believe this small cage can accommodate a giant and strong tiger like you." The tiger was surprised and a little angry and explained to the fox that he was in the cage, but the fox could not believe it. The tiger got confused and entered the cage to prove the truth of his words to the fox, and he explained to the fox that the cage had room for him. When the tiger entered the cage and explained to the fox that the cage was expanding,